Tatlong malalaking lead billboards nag-display ng birthday greetings for Bini Gwen. Bini Gwen's birthday became more special not solely in material things, but those people who have her back. Family, friends, Bini, and Blooms, whose constant support will never waver. Tatlong malalaking lead billboards nag-display ng birthday greetings for her. Sa New York Times Square, one of the largest billboards, the epicenter of global entertainment. Credits to Tag Media Chicago to display birthday greetings for Gwen, to share the special day, and to reach Filipino out there na mga kablooms. In Gloria Makati, the largest indoor lead billboards inside the shopping mall. Credits to Bini Gwen Official in making this possible. To see on the big screen a happy birthday greetings for our Bini Gwen. The third is in EDSA Guadalupe, the lead billboard located next to the one of the busiest bridges in Pasig. Again, credits to Bini Gwen Official making this possible. It brought big smiles sa mga blooms habang nagbibiyahe seeing Gwen with a big smile on her birthday. Gwen never missed the opportunity, thanking those people behind all this. For Tag Media Chicago and Bini Gwen Official, thank you very much. So Gwen, be happy, maraming nagmamahal at sumusuporta sa'yo. Thank you for watching. Please like, comments, and subscribe.